Greetings, wealth builders. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey that's all about turning connections into cash flow. Imagine stepping into the world of real estate with no money down and the potential to bring in a solid $5,000 or more per month, all with zero upfront investment. Sounds intriguing, right? In today's video, we're unveiling a game-changing strategy. So, grab a seat, because we're about to make some money moves. Step 1. Leveraging your network for gold. We're kicking things off with the power of connections. Think of that friend who knows someone else, and suddenly, you've got a network that's waiting to be tapped into. Start by reaching out to property owners within your circle or via those glorious mutual connections you have, but the best way to find great apartments is apartment rental sites. This step isn't just about finding properties, it's about tapping into relationships that can open doors. Step 2. Showcase and spark curiosity. Now, let's shine the spotlight on the properties. Utilize free platforms like websites and social media to share these properties with the world. Create captivating posts that don't just list features but tell stories. Make potential renters imagine themselves waking up in those spaces. We're not just promoting properties, we're igniting curiosity. You can use Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, or websites to promote your listing. Sky is limitless. Step 3. Your bridge to real estate magic. Here's where you'll work your enchantment. Think of yourself as the conductor of a symphony, connecting property owners with potential tenants. All conversations go through you, creating a controlled, smooth process that benefits both sides. You're more than just a middleman, you're the conductor of the harmony between a property that wants a tenant and a tenant that wants a home. Step 4. Engage, enchant, elevate. The curtain rises on Step 4, the property viewing. You're not just showing a space, you're giving potential tenants a glimpse into their future. Walk them through the experience, showcasing not just the hardwood floors and high ceilings, but the dreams that can come true within those walls. This is where your magic as a presenter comes to life. Step 5. Celebrating commissions and connections. The grand finale, sealing the deal. It's time for your well-deserved standing ovation. Your commission, the applause of your effort, typically aligns with around a month's rent for a year-long lease. For shorter terms, the proportion reflects the commitment. But remember, your financial gain isn't just in dollars, it's in the relationships you've nurtured. But here's the real secret sauce: the connections you create and the network you build are worth their weight in gold. The relationships you forge with property owners, tenants, and fellow agents can open up a treasure trove of opportunities you might not even have imagined. Remember, the real estate game isn't just about properties, it's about people. It's about making connections, nurturing relationships, and making magic happen. So, are you ready to ride this wave? Stay connected, stay charismatic, and remember, every connection can be a doorway to a prosperous future. Until we meet again, ride those waves, wealth builders. If this electrifying ride through the world of real estate fired up your aspirations, don't forget to give that like button a good old tap, share this video with your fellow enthusiasts, and be sure to subscribe to Wealthy Waves for more treasure maps to financial empowerment. Keep the fire alive, and as always, let's meet in the next chapter of our journey. Take care and ride high, wealth builders.